Well, here she is, all plugged in, tuned up. Didn't take an awful lot. It's just a little bit flat, that was all. And it might have even tuned it before they sent it off. I did find a bit of a blemish on the paintwork. And if you can see it, just a little bit there. But Gibson charged an extra couple of grand for that. This comes with it. Yeah, this seems really nice. I've had a bit of a play. Hardware, the tuning pegs are the cheap but sufficient to do the job. I'll be changing those out though, I'd imagine. Hopefully the G string will stay in tune. The knot again, it's cheap, but it does the job. It's smooth, you know, it's not offensive. The frets are really well dressed, soft, really soft. The inserts all done really well, except for the last one, and it's probably just a bit of glue. I don't know if you can see that. Well, the last one, just a bit dark around there. There's no nibs on these. I don't know if there is on the Trini or the Dave Grohl version. The pickups are like the cheap Epiphone ones, of the 80s or whatever it was. Did notice them there. I don't know if it's right. If you can have a look there, the tailpiece, the bridge is leaning back slightly, so I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not. But yeah, it's intonates fine. The pots, not scratchy. I've had it really loud and gave it some nothing, you know, it's nice and sturdy, wired well, if a bit messy. As you can see, the switch, nice and sturdy, does the job. And same with the jack, does the job. There's no feedback from it, which I'm surprised. It's a decent volume, but yeah, it seems to be fine. It's got all the Dave Grohl appointments on it. His signature, or Donald Duck, I'm not sure which one it is. Yeah, I've got a spare strap to try it out balance wise, but it's I had an Epiphone Dg335 and it's very similar to that in construction and in build quality, to be honest. So I think Epiphone needs to be knocking a few of these out. They'd sell out, because I wasn't going to be paying £6 grand, no chance for it. No matter how much I like Dave and the Foo Fighters. Well, I just haven't got the money to do that, really, the funds to do it. But they're selling on eBay like 15 grand. I don't get it. I don't. They're really outpricing themselves, Gibson are, and they need to get on the bandwagon, really, with the Epiphone stuff. But yeah, well, I'll give you a demonstration of the pickups. Right, we'll start with the bridge. Mixed, so both of these in the middle. A lot more mellow. And the neck. Yeah, I'm impressed. Go for the woman tone. Nice, like it. Well, all I can say is, you know, it's a shame it has to come to it when you have to give £300 to some poor 6-year-old boy in a sweatshop to build you a guitar. It's decent for 300 quid, but like I say, I'd pay double that. If Epiphone did a same model, same build, everything the same, but it just said Epiphone on it, on the headstock, not bothered. I would happily pay twice this. But you know, what can you say? The ethics behind it and all that are probably not brilliant, and yeah, it is what it is. It's wood, it's strings, and it's electric, and it's an instrument, and it does its job. But £6 grand, no, too much. Cheers.